This truck belongs to her rich admirer and this bike belongs to her poor one. Both of them are crazy about her and invite her out on a first date. Her mom prefers the rich guy. She's always told her if it takes the same effort to fall in love with a poor man as with a rich one, fall in love with the rich one. The girl decides to give both of them a chance. The rich guy is head over heels for her, so he brings $1,000 to spoil her and impress her. Poor guy is just as smitten. He dresses up the best he can, grabs the $30 he has, and uses a small psychological trick known as the 10% rule. On her date with the rich guy, he takes her to an upscale restaurant, serves great wine, picks her up in a fancy car, and turns the evening into a spectacular experience. He's charming, funny, and a great conversationalist. When she tells her mom about it, her mom is thrilled. In contrast, the poor guy is also kind and fun, but he doesn't have the same resources. The date is simpler, maybe a 3 compared to the rich guy's 4.5, and yet, to everyone's surprise, she never sees the rich guy again the moment she gets home. She's already excited to go out with the poor guy again. She doesn't even understand why. But he does. He used a strategy called the 10% rule. This rule, backed by research from behavioral psychologist Dan Ariely, is based on a powerful idea. Our memory doesn't judge an experience by its total length, but by how it ends. In one of his most famous studies, Dan Ariely looked at how patients perceived pain during a colonoscopy, a notoriously unpleasant procedure. Patients were split into 2 groups. Both went through the same 30-minute process, but the second group had the tube left in for 5 extra minutes during that time. The tube wasn't moved, so the pain slowly faded. Technically, that experience was longer, but it ended more gently. Surprisingly, the second group rated the experience as less painful. Why? Because the ending wasn't so bad. That small final moment was enough to change their memory of the entire procedure. Poor guy applied the same principle. The date was modest, but there was chemistry. At the end, he said, "I don't usually do this, but I want to take you somewhere special." They went to a small bar, shared a bottle of wine, and he played a few songs for her on his guitar. That final art was so magical that it overshadowed everything else. That's how the 10% rule works. It's not about starting strong. It's about ending with something unforgettable, because that's what people remember. Next time you want to leave someone thinking, wow, take advantage of the 10% rule. Since most of your life is shaped by daily habits, focusing on just a few can transform your mood, body, and direction every day. You're building your future brick by brick. The best book on this topic is Atomic Habits. In this video, I'll show you how to download it for free.